Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from Malik Gillani. Today we will unbox and review camera accessory that is very essential for every camera owner. This is wireless remote control by Aodelan for Canon cameras. Hello, this is Malik Gillani. You're watching Malik G Reviews. Thank you Aodelan for sending me this review unit. This remote control supports variety of camera models from point and shoot to DSLR to mirrorless cameras. All the supported models are listed on the screen. Now let's see what's inside the box. Some key features of this product are mentioned on the back of the box. You get one lanyard, a user manual which is in detail both in English and Mandarin, Now let's check out the remote control itself. This remote control is inspired by Canon's remote control, which is also available by same model. Now let's see what features are provided in the remote control. A shutter release button which is located on top of the remote, followed by an indicator light, an autofocus button, wide and telephoto zoom buttons. Zoom is only compatible with the PZ-E1 power zoom adapter. Some certifications, watt and make are mentioned on the back of the remote. On the top right of the remote, mode switches are located. The lower switch on the remote is for video, the middle one is for 2-second picture timer, and the top one is for immediate shutter release. Now let's see the setup and pairing process. Go to wireless communication settings on your camera. Go to Bluetooth function and select remote from the options. Go to pairing and press W and T button simultaneously on your remote for 2 seconds. You will immediately see pairing notification on your camera. Go to third tab from the camera option on the menu and enable the remote control. To record the video, the switch on the remote must be on the lower option, which is movie. For the picture, the above two options as per your requirement, whether 2-second shutter release or immediate shutter release. To take pictures from this remote control, self-timer or remote option must be enabled from the menu. You can see some sample shots on the screen. As I do a news program on my YouTube channel, this remote control comes very handy for my work, as I can record the video without even touching the camera. As you can see on the screen, I faced a similar scenario while recording my news program, which is in my native language, Urdu. Just consider me in place of this plant, and the rest of the setting is almost the same. You can see how this remote can ease a lot of my work. Finding a wireless remote for mentioned camera models is not an easy task. Besides Canon, Aodelan is the only other company which is making the wireless remote for Canon cameras. And there is a significant price difference in both Canon and Aodelan remotes. Canon remote sells for around $50, whereas Aodelan remote sells for around $30. Operating range of this remote is 10 meter or 32.8 feet. Battery also comes pre-inserted in this remote. Aodelan is always focusing on R&D and production of photography accessories since 2007, and I must say this accessory is a must for all the videographers and photographers.